In the 2026 legal market, AI is the new architect of the law, and if you aren't the one driving it, you're the one being replaced. I'm Sonia, and I feel truly enthralled to introduce a topic that is currently shaking the very foundations of our profession. We are being knocked down from every corner, from automated petitions to instant cross-border legal analysis. Many of my colleagues feel that our profession is in danger, but advocate Ravi Kumar believes this is not a crisis of endings, but a crisis of evolution. In this orientation, we provide the blueprint to move from a solo practitioner to a high-speed legal enterprise. We will discuss the impact of the Google phenomenon on client expectations and how the new education policy in India is forcing a massive shift from literary law to business law. We aren't just talking about translation. We are talking about a teamwork process that involves technology, contracts, branding, and global quality standards like ISO 17100 and the EN 15038. If you are ready to stop being a worker and start building a world-class legal house that survives the digital shock, your journey starts right here. Let's redefine the bar together.
I feel thrilled that we are discussing today a very important topic, and that is use of AI, use of techniques that keeps us moving in spite of all our efforts that currently tend to endanger our profession. I believe it is not danger, rather it is an opportunity, and we transfer ourselves from being an individual to a team worker, because the bigger team we have, the better it is for the results that can create a bigger impact in language market. See, my friends, today I want to discuss with you, some key points, and those key points are first of all related to how this AI is driving the world. We will also now discuss about what is from a language school to an enterprise, what role we play there. I would also like to share with you some experiences in last 3 decades I have been part of as well. And then we will understand how the development of Google phenomena has impacted the whole content consumption market, including invent of mobile phone and Wi-Fi technology. We will also understand the shift that is taking place in technology. I mean, it is dynamic. The way translation, work was dynamic. Similarly, this technology is very dynamic, and human needs never stop, So we always evolve. And in all this scenario, what is the role of we linguist? At one point, as a translator, AI is replacing us. As an interpreter, online AI is impressing us. As thought-provoking poet, even at times, AI is replacing us. We are being sort of knocked down from various corners. And in that, we have to survive, and we have to also get satisfactory answer to all our human needs and desires of being creative. And in all this, after, having discussed, I would like to discuss with you how to evolve from one-man enterprise to a middleman, medium enterprise, and then to a large corporation as a business house. And we will discuss what opportunities we have currently in AI market, how we can make use of those opportunities. And at the end, we will have some question and discussions and some research questions, which can be used even for our research in academia and future activities in translation field. So if you have any questions, please hold on and direct your questions to our friend Andrea, and then she will make notes of those questions, and we will discuss about it after I have finished my lectures. In India, we do have high number of translators, but we are so diversified that still today, government has not yet started playing key role in controlling it or doing any, promotional activities on a industry basis or association basis, but they do promote it as a literature, but not much as business. Whereas the need is now business. I hope that will also come in near future. Talks are already on the way. New education policy in India has imbibed these concepts, and they have already introduced special institute for translation and interpreting, which will be of world class. In times to come, we will have more of such activities from Indian side on a larger scale, my friend. But the most important aspect is when we are talking about language as a business, not purely as a literary pursuits, we have to integrate translation not as an individual act, but as a teamwork, as a process that involves technology, that involves contracts, that involves branding, that involves project management, quality control, including some standards which were earlier developed, as well as ISO standards, including Chinese standards, Japanese standards, or EN 15038 or American Standard 1575.
Share your thoughts below, hype the video, and subscribe to KanoonPlus. Hope to see you again in the next video. To inform you, I am an AI assistant for advocate Ravi Kumar and KanoonPlus.